The number one rule of dithering: if you dither, you only dither once. Okay, but what is dithering and why do I maybe only do it once? The short answer is that when you dither, you're intentionally adding noise to your track. Now, why would you do that? This gets us back to talking about dynamic range, specifically what happens to the really quiet stuff. The level of resolution we use to describe dynamic range is called the bit depth. Typically, it's going to be either 16-bit or 24-bit. If we use this ruler to describe the softest to the loudest sound, it doesn't matter if it's 12 inches or 30 centimeters, it's the same length. If this is 24-bit and this is 16-bit, when you go down to 16, there's no such thing as half a bit. So you're gonna lose some information. It would be a little like saying I'm gonna try and fit this water into this glass, except the analogy isn't quite right because it's not louder. And all that quiet goodness is going to be like a bunch of little fish hanging out here at the bottom. When we add dither, we're adding noise that drives those fish up higher so there's a place for them in their new home. And that's the reasoning behind the dramatic warning. Leave the quiet stuff alone unless you're going to knock down the bit depth. And if you do, don't intentionally add more noise to your recording than is absolutely necessary. And oh yeah, did you like this post? Are you following us? Because I can teach you this in a Beat Kitchen class.